Too much GH. We need to go to Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko son show mo. No anybody debia. Madam, I say love you.
For any ashe for me ma obi bia akwa abashronkon e de batuma GH anything so munia ba mo so for Mexico na me in some way circulate e wo oman mu e ba besom mo na etie for in say e election e course so e on the 7th December 2020 die emu nsem do so ani ni na chi no e result so a beto ja menti me ho asen so be pie mu ana che se ni na mu e amanyoko NDC womo die womo si result ebe to ja no womo hu transparency bia womo hu no credit bia womo omo woni say election ya e course yi enye free and fair katahye ene proye ebi womo ma che se womo ni na ya adwen baako akoma baako tu anamo no che se demonstration e wo bia ye bebre wo oman mu ni na ni omo kan se yes, some voice, quite chile, say Ghana, mighty or voice, some to say, yeah, battery, uncle ye, say, almost say Ghana for the donor, Akuma Swadian Sanka, yeah, Amanuko, NDC flag bearer, your former president, I am John Dramani Mahama, woman, and I Ghana for any dana suburb, a year, Akunyano, a year or minor. Na enu ni name o nipa ba ko ache se eye election when it comes to eye social media campaign and social media se woma eye nipa dodo na te wo voice a nipa na wo jire mu papa na oye media personality ye nim eye US based Kelvin Taylor just wono so what supporting NDC Amanoko no wo kwan bebre so campaign mremu any chese administration sem na chese wono de wutimi wo se wakasa wodi akote ne pa wo NDC Amanoko ni mo na ebeto just say NDC Amanoko ni support result ye de beto ja na wutimi wo se wono so na ni buofu akasa dani da social media de wo kire na adwen kana adwen dugu papa etia Amanoko a wo mo fa akonya no na ni de mu ye wo mu ani hu se Kelvin Taylor de betu just say NDC Amanoko no mo ni da wo na che so mu protest entia MPP Amanoko a che se so mo na ma fa akonya na so se nukredie bi anko bebi na enu echi ni kwa wo de nsem bi betu just say wo evidence or what say secret be fa judges wo mo wo man mu se ekoba se asem yi court na se judges for so ekoye se mo be ye kata hihye proye minimum nti ana se o mama no kredie pa betodwa wo no Kelvin Taylor no secret a woni mu fa judges no what ni na ebetu da na no na magana for bobo say abrante Kelvin Taylor wono de woti USA I said dani dana wo ka mbebu ni ti e de bom sanse wo mo protest na afen so as blackmail Ghana penny for kwan bi so no obe a won hwe yi o ma na ni da wo ti se abo wo na etiefo enu nkoda nchen ekoba se court stagger NDC 40 wo mo asese afedi asemu no pian ba mane ba chese demonstration mo ye protest ni na se no mo ke ka wo mo so mo voice ni dia se hwenko so sisan ni o mani dane hwenti no nti no wo ma bo mo die tu ana mo de asemu no akwa mu wo Supreme Court wo mo hwe nim se Supreme Court de dan possible say justice ebetumi ade agi wo sabia ye wo no na eno Kelvin Taylor ye nim so a very loud media personality wo no so aba bekedu na ni kasemu no timu se ni brain soldier Kelvin Taylor ne ni abre papa na sisia ni puta ye ni nsamo wo de aba betu dwa ne se NDC Amanoko ni NDC echitai-fo no wo mumma wo mani enda wo na chese ye court ya ba be pie mu a chese mrim tie mu ya ye de be hihye so no enyomani adane sesi asa protest ya eye amanyoko MPP fo de beba be attack wo mo ne sa sakasaka ye ni sa we no da bi wo mo ntu o ma adwum twa so kra bi se enyomani adane sesi ne ekono enyoma kopiem wo court enti se be ya wo mo more attention any wo focus ni nyina enko eye sa bia ye wo no na illegality bia enko so no wo mo fa records entutu wo se ne be ya court no ebe ma wo mo nsem edi mu esin se eye NDC fo no space for fanche me eye MPP amanyoko no abomodin a edi attack e ba wo mo so anase wo mo masakasaka yesi se ne ebe ya ebe twi wo madwen free eye bia ye so madwen wo ene say any court wo no se ne ebe ya emma o focus ne shifting enko eye sakasaka ye ne basabasa ye bia ye MPP fo di be hia mo na mo wo mo ma omani enda wo na tie fo me pese me de betuja senia eye Kevin Taylor edene semono etuja papa ede asomo na say ya na wokan ensem he boldly told members of the National Democratic Congress who are being deceived to stay vigilant. He revealed that in the quest to sway them from focusing their support on the case at court, they are being involved in browse and attacks by other party members of the MPP especially, which is making them lose focus. I'm see church means was see MPP for amanyoko no especially no wo mo de omo be share that de sakasaka ye mentem ho ase na nyoma bi distract wo match wo madwen efri ye court botaye ne so se na ebe ye be ma ye this amanyoko no wo mo faili and omo di for e wo court wo nti ebe ya ma wo mo mfole ma ye MPP amanyoko no mo trap bia wo mo be set indirectly na mu womuma womani endawo na etifo koso ekanen nsem say he revealed that the battleground has been changed and it now lies in the courtroom. As a result, the NDC members should stop fighting and do the needful, which is focusing on the court in order to take notice of any illegality, and as a result every single NDC member should shine his or her eyes as he or she support the NDC and John Mahama, the alleged president-elect per NDC claim. For NCWA, and see church and Samu Caneno was say, Ebeya, woman make sure some woman be and distract woman. Now, after Munjan to quanto one chance, say, I didn't want to pass him and then demonstration. Some said, no, I did kind carry jump some protest, some demonstrating or say, a game now go and assistant in near Danny. Now, I done so there, say, any Saman of four, no, a man of Kono Daniel money and Chile be a year, a grono, a Danny. Copy one send a bear and quiet say woman dream ebe kwakoda baby na asemo eye afa wo masineti for wo hwesenya eye loud eye media personality just on the ba a media mu a ba social media Ghana for ni wi asa Fernando na ni mu na san say wo no de wo kan na dream papa no was the same way aba betuja any kan nsem nyina wo de betuja na wa dream kire a wo eye fa nsem ya media betu apono so yi any say but what did you want to share to your comment section or if I mammy? I feel so one subscribe to one among the subscribers and a bear. Too much GH if you take a little bit tomorrow. Once on sir, every to me, I can be over to me actually watching send I will see a panel. Now I feel like a share a promote a year channel where a day. I am near by Messi count and think it's only a person when I before me the man of the cracker I want you make one more so I see my Julia adventures or Baba so kitchen way and Kaura won't check. As I say, who will be beer or what dear, but what dear for a year, my Juliet number. No bad woman kitchen war I lovely soko. As for loan master loan within 24 hours we say we are government worker who affordability no rating so they da form crack project busy when so but my dear loan master number na friend now obeboa when you urgent money for urgent project it for aha and everyone me kwan na demo that's na ye be san Asia makwa